I'm Cherle. I was one of the original girls with Motorsports Unlimited with Bill Willdt. I am now with US Classic Muscle Cars on YouTube. I love that picture. Look at all these beautiful cars on this red carpet at Mecum Auctions. Hi, I'm Cherle with US Classic Muscle Cars, and this is Bob and Avalon. And we're getting ready to see Bob's Mustang, and could you tell us all about your car?
Sure, it's a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach I. It's a 390S code with a 4-speed. Very rare car. It's candy apple red with a white interior. It's got rare options like a tilt-away steering wheel, things like that. Very original car, original body panels, things like that. And it's for sale here at Mecum today.
How long have you owned it?
I've had it for a couple of years, yeah.
And did you do any work to it yourself?
We restored it. We got it in 90% done, and we took it the rest of the way and restored the vehicle. So it came out nice.
Nice, very nice.
How many miles?
Let me see.
How many miles on the car?
27. It's got 27,000 original miles in the car, and so it's got low mileage to start with. So it was a good specimen to restore, a good candidate to restore. So it is perfect now, like it was when it came off the showroom floor. It's a nice car.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Thank you.
Bob, how many cars have you sold at an auction like this?
Oh, I've sold dozens of cars over the years at auction.
And what is your experience at the Mecum auction?
Well, Mecum is one of the best, one of the better auction companies I've worked with that really rolls the red carpet out for you, as you can see, and do a nice job for the customer and the seller as well. So it's a good company to work with.
Great, that's fantastic. Thank you very much. Bob, what is your favorite part of the car?
That's a tough question because the car is perfect. So every part of the car is really got its own aspects that are favorite to me. But the paint is really nice. The body's super straight, which is hard to find. The white interior is very, very appealing to me. So I'd say the white interior in combination with the red paint is very, very appealing to me.
And Bob, what would be the next car that you want for your collection?
Well, it's funny you ask because I've got a yellow one over there, a 1969 Mach I, it's a 70 Mach I Super Cobra Jet 4-speed drag pack car. That's a very rare car also, so I like the Mustangs.
Are you looking for another one?
Always looking for more.
Oh, okay, good. Bob, if you're selling these two cars, what are you driving now?
I drive a newer Cherle GT350.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So Bob, tell me about your company. You have a company in the car business.
I do. It's National Muscle Cars, and we've been doing this since 1995, playing with old cars like this, and we specialize in the best of the best. Mustangs are one of my favorite cars to play with, and the website's nationalmusclecars.com. And we've been doing it for a long time. We enjoy what we do, and we've got happy customers all around the world.
That's fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Cherle with US Classic Muscle Cars. We are looking at a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach I Fastback. Look at the beautiful red paint job. Check that engine out.
These are really starting to, Mustang boys with sound in here, just going nutty now. Yeah. No, Mustang markets, all of a sudden, they're all standing.
High performance engine. Look at those chrome wheels.
They're beautiful, aren't they?
The pinstriping.
Right.
chrome exhaust. Look at the louvers. Red, beautiful paint. Let's check out the interior. Okay, the odometer reads 27,841 miles, built at San Jose on October 21st, 1968. Rare 390 S-Code engine, close ratio 4-speed manual transmission, and a 4-barrel carburetor. Look at the side venting. Blackout hood.
Thank you.
Let's check out the interior. Pretty nice, huh? Candy apple red with white interior and factory blackout hood. White knit vinyl high back bucket seats. Thank you for watching our video on our 69 Ford Mustang Fastback. And if you like the video that we just shot with the owner, please support us on our GoFundMe and our Patreon website. Thank you.